WhatsApp upcoming feature lets users choose specific participants to call instead of initiating a call with all group members. WhatsApp is reportedly gearing up to launch redesigned call menus for individual and group chats to improve user convenience and minimize accidental calls. The latest beta variant launched a call link feature that lets users create call links directly from the chat interface, simplifying starting the voice and video calls. The shortcut is currently available through the chat attachment sheet by clicking the attachment icon in the chat bar. Meta-owned WhatsApp is exploring a unified call menu to replace the current two-button system for an improved video and voice call experience. Currently, clicking either button immediately starts the call, which leads to unintentional calls. The latest design will combine both options into a single menu, offering extra tools and enhanced flexibility, especially in group chats. It lets users choose specific participants to call instead of initiating a call with all group members. The redesigned menu includes a shortcut for instant call links, reducing the need to launch the Calls tab and attachment menu, enhancing accessibility and streamlining the process to share call links. One of the major advantages of the latest call menu is to eliminate unintentional calls. The latest setup quickly initiates a call when the button is pressed, increasing the chance of unintentional dialing. The redesigned menu rolls out an extra step of choosing the call type, adding an extra layer of confirmation. Meta-owned WhatsApp is testing these significant changes, and they are already rolled out to a few users.